Breakfast for the first time.
Good morning, guys. It's 8 a.m. right now, and right now we want to try Malaysian breakfast. What is this?
I love this life, man. This is crazy.
Selamat datang ke Razli Vlog and Reaction. Di setiap langkah penuh aksi, kisah hebat, reaksi spontan. Razli Vlog, semua ada di sini.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera, guys. Pernahkah Anda terfikir mengapa pelancong dari negara barat sering mengungkapkan kata-kata "kami tidak mau pulang" setiap kali berkunjung ke Malaysia? Negara ini bukan sekadar destinasi pelancongan, tetapi sebuah pengalaman yang meninggalkan kesan mendalam di hati mereka. Dari sikap ramah masyarakat tempatan, keunikan cita rasa makanan, sehingga kepada keharmonian antara kaum, semuanya menjadikan Malaysia begitu istimewa. Ramai pelancong yang pada asalnya merancang untuk tinggal hanya beberapa hari, akhirnya memutuskan untuk menetap lebih lama. Karena mereka merasakan Malaysia mempunyai jiwa yang hidup dan menyentuh hati. Dalam video ini kita akan menyelusuri rahasia Malaysia yang membuatkan pelancong barat enggan meninggalkan negara ini. Teruskan menonton hingga ke akhirnya, karena pasti akan berasa bangga menjadi sebahagian daripada masyarakat Malaysia, guys. Ayo simak video ini.
Breakfast for the first time.
Good morning, guys. It's 8 a.m. right now, and right now we want to try Malaysian breakfast. What is this?
Malaysian breakfast.
I love this life, man. This is crazy.
Oh, crazy katanya, guys. Wow.
Malaysia, sebuah tanah yang diwarnai oleh pelbagai budaya, aroma rempah yang memanggil dari kejauhan, dan senyuman yang menyambut dengan tulus. Di balik keindahan alamnya, tersimpan kisah yang membuat para pelancong dari barat jatuh hati, bukan hanya sekali, tetapi berkali-kali. Bayangkan seorang pelancong yang baru saja menjejakkan kaki di lapangan terbang antarabangsa Kuala Lumpur. Langkah pertama mereka disambut dengan kehangatan udara tropika dan senyuman pegawai imigresen. Bagi mereka, ini bukan sekadar negara di peta, ini adalah permulaan sebuah cerita yang akan dikenang sepanjang hayat. Dari bumbung merah di Melaka yang bercerita tentang sejarah perdagangan dunia, hingga pulau-pulau berpasir putih di sempurna yang bagaikan postcard hidup, setiap sudut Malaysia memancarkan warna yang berbeza. Pelancong barat datang dengan rasa ingin tahu, dan mereka pulang dengan hati yang penuh rasa kagum. Bagi mereka, Malaysia bukan hanya destinasi, tetapi sebuah rasa. Rasa yang tercipta daripada gabungan budaya, makanan, dan keramahan yang suka dicari di tempat lain.
Luar biasa ya.
Dan di sinilah, kita akan menyelami mengapa hati mereka terpaut pada warna Malaysia.
It's mosque time again. What a different vibe from Thailand. And so close by.
Oh, pelancong ini dia merasa gitu nyaman ketika dia berada di Malaysia, guys.
Like the super modern skyline in the background.
Nah, super modern skyline background.
The night markets surrounding it with the mosques, and then like Chinese people, Indian people, Pakistani people. Such a unique country, guys. Such a unique country.
Hey,
How many times have you been to Malaysia?
I don't know.
Unique
maybe
country.
6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's
Banyak kali
the
ya.
one thing that you cannot
Luar
get
biasa,
in Europe
guys.
that you can get in Malaysia?
Beauty of the people. The people are amazing here. They are so friendly. I love the people in Malaysia.
One thing
Wow.
the whole world should know about Malaysia is
That it's a cultural hotspot. You have many different people here from all over the world, and
Pulangnya
you have
begitu
the Indian, you have the Chinese, you have the Malay, and international
lain
also.
katanya ya.
So orang asli as well, of course.
your favorite Malaysian dish is
Nasi goreng. Yeah.
nasi goreng.
Wow, nasi goreng.
Ayam?
No seafood.
Seafood.
Sampai jumpa lagi.
Sampai jumpa lagi.
It is my first day in Kuala Lumpur. I've never been to
Oh,
Malaysia
ini
before,
pertama
so I'm so
kali
excited
di
to explore.
KL, ha?
We've just come out and we're going to head to one of the malls here. The one we've come to is called the Pavilion, and it looks like there's loads of cafes here.
Oh,
Just
Pavilion ini
walking
merupakan
into it
tempat
now,
yang paling
there's
populer
so
di
much. Oh my god, they've got an e-land.
Kuala Lumpur, guys.
Didn't know they had these in Malaysia. The first thing we're going to do today is go grab ourselves a morning coffee. So let's find a coffee shop. So they have an Arabica coffee. We've got to go in here. All of the Arabica coffee shops are just so nice. Could I please get a hot Spanish latte? That size, please. Can I get it with oat milk, please? It did have a lid on, so the latte art is kind of ruined, but it still looks good. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Arabica Spanish lattes, the best. There are so many different types of shops, and it's more like we've even got a Lululemon, got a Cotton On,
Lululemon.
I am definitely going to have to do some shopping in here at some point. There's just so much. Oh my god, you guys, it is so festive in here. Look.
Pelancong Barat ini dia sangat teruja, guys.
We're actually going to be in Malaysia for the next month, so we've got so much time here. So if there's anything that you think I should go see, things to do, any kind of recommendations, please let me know. It is my first day in Kuala Lumpur. I've never been to Malaysia before, so I'm so excited to explore. We've just come out and we're going to head to one of the malls here. The one we've come to is called the Pavilion, and it looks like there's loads of cafes here. Just walking into it now. But there's so much. Oh my god, they've got an Elan. Didn't know they had these in Malaysia.
Wow.
The first thing we're going to do today is go grab ourselves a morning coffee. So let's find a coffee shop. So they have an Arabica coffee. We've got to go in here. All of the Arabica coffee shops are just so nice. Could I please get a hot Spanish latte? That size, please. Can I get it with oat milk, please? It did have a lid on, so the latte art is kind of ruined, but it still looks good.
Ini latte.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Arabica Spanish lattes, the best. There are so many different types of shops, and it's more like we've even got a Lululemon, got a Cotton On, Levi's. I am definitely going to have to do some shopping in here at some point. There's just so much. Oh my god, you guys, it is so festive in here. Look at these Christmas trees. We're actually going to be in Malaysia for the next month, so we've got so much time here. So if there's anything that you think I should go see, things to do, any kind of just recommendations, please let me know.
I love this life, man.
Ini orang putih, guys, pelancong barat nih. Nah, inilah Kuala Lumpur.
Salah satu hal pertama yang membuat pelancong barat terpikat ialah kepelbagaian budaya kita. Mereka kagum bagaimana orang Melayu, Cina, India, dan etnik-etnik Borneo hidup bersama dalam harmoni. Di mata mereka, ini ibarat dunia kecil yang penuh warna. Festival demi festival, Hari Raya, Tahun Baru Cina, Deepavali, mewarnai kalendar dan membuka peluang bagi pelancong untuk merasai sendiri perayaan yang meriah. Kemudian, makanan. Makanan kita adalah cerita yang tidak pernah habis. Seorang pelancong dari Perancis pernah berkata, saya datang untuk pantai, tetapi saya kembali untuk nasi lemak dan teh tarik. Dari sarapan roti canai di kedai mamak, makan tengah hari laksa Penang, hingga makan malam ikan bakar di tepi laut, setiap suapan membawa mereka ke bab baharu kisah Malaysia. Namun, bukan itu sahaja. Alam semula jadi kita memikat hati mereka. Di Taman Negara, mereka merasai hutan hujan tertua di dunia. Di Sabah dan Sarawak, mereka menyaksikan matahari terbenam di tepi pantai sambil mendengar bunyi ombak bercampur nyanyian burung. Dan jangan lupa, kehangatan rakyat Malaysia. Ramai pelancong dari barat mengaku, mereka merasa selamat, dihargai, dan diterima. Semua ini, budaya, makanan, alam, dan keramahan, menjadi lukisan indah yang membuat mereka bukan sekadar melancong, tetapi jatuh cinta.
Trying Malaysian breakfast for the first time.
Good morning, guys. It's 8 a.m. right now, and right now we want to try Malaysian breakfast. What is this? Roti cheese? Roti canai. Oh, roti canai, the best bread in the world. Okay. Here we have roti bomb.
Orang Jerman,
we tried with the orange sauce. What's the orange sauce?
Orang Jerman. Kalau tidak silap ini Barbie. Ya.
That's really good. I like this one. Ini sebab banget, guys. Orang Melayu yang nonton vlog ini, aku nggak tahu kalian ngerti nggak kalau aku pakai bahasa Indonesia. Makanya aku pakai bahasa Inggris.
Ini memang lama di Indonesia, guys. Jadi dia sudah pandai cakap bahasa Indonesia.
I like it, but there's no flavor in it. good. So this is with condensed milk, all different. This has no topping, like it's the original one. Then we have like with cheese, and then with condensed milk, and there's a lot of more flavors. I want to move to Malaysia.
Pergi mana?
What is your name and where are you from?
I'm from Spain and my name is Ivan.
Oh,
your
dari
first time coming to
Spain.
Malaysia?
Spain.
Actually,
Wow.
Asia also.
First time in Asia and first time in Malaysia?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you find it in Malaysia so far?
The architecture here is very nice. The food also.
So is it not too spicy for you?
I actually like it.
How many days are you staying in Malaysia?
10, 12.
So how do you find the Malaysian people here so
12
far?
hari.
They're nice, yeah.
So our travel name page is called Pergi Mana. In English it means go where. So how do we say go where in your language?
¿A dónde vamos?
Thank you so much.
First impressions in this new country called Malaysia. I just arrived 10 minutes ago, and from what I've seen so far, look at that around me, like it's much more developed than Thailand, for example. The cars, more developed. I don't know about the food. People are speaking good English here. Most people, much better English. Hey! Apparently they're nice. There's a lot of mountains around. When I arrived with the train, I saw a lot of mountains on the side, beautiful. And there's no tourists. I arrived in this new town called Kedah, and there's no tourists here, so I like it. I don't like tourists. I'm not a tourist, I'm a traveler. I like to talk to locals. I don't just stay with tourists.
Traveler.
You know, I like to talk to locals. I like to learn the culture. I like to talk. I like to be integrated in the culture. Look at that. And right now I am in Alor Stellar. What is that? Probably like the square here. Malaysia is a Muslim country. The majority of people are Muslim, so hopefully it will
Malaysia
be okay
itu
to
negara
connect with people. It's
Islam,
not going to be too hard for
Agama
me.
Islam
There's one thing you need to know,
agama
is that
rasmi bagi
Malaysia
Malaysia.
was the first country that I wanted to go when I talked about Southeast Asia. And the reason why I went to Thailand first was because it was easier with the flights and stuff. I stayed a total of 2 months in Thailand, and now I can stay 3 months maximum in Malaysia.
Akhirnya, bila pelancong barat meninggalkan Malaysia, mereka membawa pulang lebih daripada sekadar foto dan cenderamata. Mereka membawa pulang cerita. Cerita tentang seorang peniaga pasar malam yang mengajar mereka cara menyebut terima kasih dalam bahasa Melayu. Cerita tentang anak-anak di kampung yang tersenyum walau tanpa mengerti bahasa mereka. Cerita tentang pelangi yang muncul selepas hujan di tengah sawah padi. Mereka sadar bahwa Malaysia bukan hanya tentang tempat yang indah, tetapi tentang hati yang terbuka. Warna-warna Malaysia bukan hanya terlihat di kain batik atau bendera, tetapi terasa dalam setiap pengalaman.
Betul,
Dan
guys.
disitulah rahasianya, Malaysia memberi mereka rasa, rumah, walaupun mereka berada ribuan kilometer dari tanah asal. Kerana merangkai cerita, mewarnai Malaysia bukan sekadar kata-kata. Ia adalah janji bahwa setiap warna mempunyai kisah, dan setiap kisah akan terus hidup dalam hati sesiapa yang pernah menjejakkan kaki di sini. Warna Malaysia, setiap warna, satu kisah. Dan kisah itu, sentiasa menunggu untuk diceritakan semula.
Wow, hebat guys. Kita telah melihat sendiri mengapa ramai pelancong barat enggan pulang setelah menikmati pengalaman di Malaysia. Ini bukan sekadar kerana kemewahan penginapan atau tarikan tempat beli belah, tetapi kerana kehangatan dan kemesraan rakyatnya. Mereka berasa diterima, selamat dan dihargai. Dari secawan teh tarik di kedai mamak, senyuman tulus penjual nasi lemak, hinggalah sapaan mesra penduduk kampung, semuanya mencipta kenangan yang sukar dilupakan. Malaysia mungkin sebuah negara kecil di peta dunia, namun keindahannya besar di hati mereka yang pernah menginjakkan kaki di sini. Kepada rakyat Malaysia, berbanggalah dengan keunikan dan keharmonian negara ini. Dan kepada penonton di luar negara, adakah Anda pernah datang ke Malaysia atau mungkin sedang merancang untuk berkunjung, berkongsi pengalaman setelah Anda melawat Malaysia? Anda boleh komen di ruangan komen guys. Jangan lupa menekan tombol lonceng, like dan subscribe agar tidak terlepas kisah menarik tentang Malaysia dan dunia yang penuh inspirasi ini. I love you Malaysia. Sekian, Assalamualaikum, bye-bye.
Like, share dan subscribe sini. Kita jumpa di video nanti. Lastly vlog and reaction. Terima kasih semua.